Hi guys, welcome to my live options trading series, part one. This is the very first episode. I'm going to be doing hopefully once a week, maybe every other week if there aren't that many trades going on. I'm going to be showing you exactly what I'm doing related to options. This video, I'm going to be doing cash secured puts and I'm going to be doing covered calls. And then hopefully if, depending on how the market goes, I might do some vertical credit spreads, but we'll see where the market takes us. I'm first going to outline my plan on what I'm going to do for the month. As you can see here, I have my cash secured puts from July 20th to August 21st. Here's my plan so far. BAC, Bank of America. As you can see here, I have to convert it to Canadian because that's how my funds are. This is how I process everything. So right now I have around 170,000. Well, not quite. I have around 184,000 in cash that I want to play around with. I've been doing this for a few months. I am going to be doing a slightly different variation. As you can see here, these are my safe trades. AMD, Bank of America, IWM, TD, and then these will be my risky trades. I haven't decided if I want to go in on Virgin Galactic, but right now I have 0 shares allocated here. I'm aiming for, this is slightly low, I'm aiming for around 1.8% a month, maybe around 20% per year, but I've been consistently getting around 1.5 to 2.5 depending on what month it is. Like obviously March and April, everything kind of went down. But let me show you how I picked my strike prices. I don't mind getting assigned on some of these. I don't mind getting assigned on all of these companies. Where my risky ones come in, I do mind getting assigned on these, on Square, NEO, Virgin Galactic. If these do get assigned, I might close these and roll these out before getting assigned, but anything here, I might just accept assignment and be okay with it. I don't mind $22 for Bank of America. If we go here, if we take a look at the $22 strike price, how far back do we have to go? $22, go away. It was around $22, let's say June 11th, so 2 months ago. I don't mind going to this price. If we go back even further, $22 around May 20th. I'm totally okay if I get assigned on Bank of America for $22. The next one, AMD at $50. AMD $50. It is currently at 55. Let us see. AMD at $50. This happened end of June. Oh, kind of went lower, 48. Kind of jumped back up. I do, like mentally, I have a target of mid 50s, maybe even like low 60s for AMD. So I don't mind getting assigned at 50 if need be. But let's go back. Let's see how long. We'd have to go back to see another $50. Mid-May. So about once a month, it's breaking the $50 mark, going back to 48 twice. Right now, it's kind of consolidating here. Earnings is next week. We'll see what happens. But again, I don't mind if I do get assigned at 50. The next one, Square at 100. This is a tough one. Not sure where we're going with this. As you can see, 100 was recent. It recently jumped up past 100. So this is June 24th. Square, this is again a little more on the risky side. I think I would mind if this gets tested, I would probably close it and roll it out to the future. Let us see, 100 over here. So we're only doing 2 options where I'm doing 7 Bank of America, 2 AMD, 2 Square. Let's forget NEO for now. Let's forget Virgin Galactic for now. IWM. I didn't mention. I'll be doing weekly on IWM. I don't want to tie up this much cash for a month. I do, because IWM does fluctuate. It is pretty volatile, so I'm only going to be doing 2 contracts weekly. We'll see where we go. IWM 137. It went close. Oh, it did go end of June. Broke the 137 a bunch of times and then came back up. Maybe 136 might be better. Do you see we have support? instead of looking for trend lines in this type of market where one piece of news could tank something a couple percent in a day, I would just look left for support. Here, 136. I think I might do 136, might do 137. Let's see. At 137, I could get $1, which is, let's get a percent. Almost a percent. 0.77 for a week. I don't know. We'll see how much I could get for 136. I think I might feel comfortable going 136 here so I don't get assigned just for a week. TD and Air Canada. These are on the Canadian side for any of my Canadian viewers. Let's take a look at TD. So TD right now at $61. I will be going in at 58. I am comfortable holding here at 58. As you can see, it hasn't really touched 58 in a while, even if we go back to June. We'd have to go all the way back to May. Oh, it dropped way lower. I am okay. This is one of my buy and hold forever stocks, so I am okay holding TD at 58. Our last one is Air Canada. I'm going Air Canada at 14. We're going 30 contracts here. We're going high risk, high reward. We'll see what happens. Air Canada, a lot of volatility. As you can see, it hit 23 recently and came back down. Let's see how far we have to go back to get a sign for Air Canada at 14. Not too far back, actually. 14. We'd have to go back to mid-May. But these are my cash secured puts. I'm trying to do 20% a year. It obviously doesn't work out, but we'll see what happens. I'm glad I haven't made this video earlier. I think I've been doing this strategy wrong. I've been accepting assignment and then doing a covered call later on. But the more I research, the more I see what other people are doing. They close it early. So I'm doing a 30-day expiration. They close it within 2 weeks, maybe 3 weeks, and they take 50 to 75% of profit. So if we're only getting the premium here, we're getting theta. We're getting the time decay. That's what I'll be earning. This is if I accept, if they all expire worthless and I get 100%, but I might be doing a video every 2 weeks where I close these out, hopefully, taking 50 to 75% profit and then rolling them out even further and getting more premium, ideally around the 1.5. I don't mind 1.5% a month. Let's go on to the covered calls. So these are all shares I currently own that I'll be hopefully doing covered calls. I don't want these to get called away, so I'm going pretty far out. I hold Canopy at 22, TD at 61, APHA at 5.5, Air Canada at 17, Northwest at 9.5. I don't see much activity on this one. This might not even happen, but I'll be selling a 27 strike, hopefully collecting $90. TD Bank, 66 strike, hopefully this collecting $36. Like, this is nothing. APHA, I'm going far out of the money. In 1 month, I have 1,000 shares, so I'll be selling 10 contracts, hopefully collecting $650. And then Air Canada, $35 a contract. I'll be selling 2 contracts. I only have 200 shares. We'll be collecting $70. So let's go put some of these to action. Let's start with our covered calls. If we go here, I will want to sell a $27 covered call here. Covered call 1. We only have 100 shares. Then I'll be choosing, let's just get this. I just want to show for the purpose of the video. What did we select? 90 cents here. This was my target, so I'm okay. I want this to get it filled right away, so I will sell. Get $90. My commission is $5, unfortunately. Sell 1 Canopy, August 21st, 27 call. This is what I had originally planned. So let's send order. Hopefully it gets filled. But anyway, let's go to the second one, which is APHA. APHA, we want $8, 1,000 shares at 65 cents. So, oh no, it went down. 65 cents. Went down to We might have to do 35 cents here. This is unfortunate. 35 cents. Yeah, that's a lot less than I thought. This was my mistake. If we do an $8, so I'll be doing 10 contracts, selling at 0.35 because I have 1,000 shares. So I'll be getting $350 minus my $12 commission. Send order. Next one, let's do TD. I have 200 shares. I don't even know if I want to do this. Like, I don't care for $36. What a waste. If we do TD at 60, oh, we don't even have 66 here. If we go TD, end of August, we choose the $66 strike. It's gone down even more, 12 cents. I won't be doing this. I'm going to be scrapping this one entirely. This is a waste. Air Canada, hopefully let's aim for 21 strike, August 21st. Where's Air Canada? Here. Well, let's go 21 strike. Okay, so this is within. I'll be selling 2 contracts at 0.25. I'll be getting $50. Is that what we wanted? We want $70. It's gone down. That's unfortunate, but what can we do? So this is done. This is done. This is done. I'm having trouble getting any traction on any of these Northwest. I don't see anyone buying these. If we look over here, August 21st, there's no bids. No one's asking. No one's bidding. I might even put, yeah, this is just a waste. So I'm just gonna clear this. We're not getting anything here. We're not getting anything here. So, but what's different on the covered call? Like, this is a little deceiving. I'm not getting 4.5% a month, just because of my cash tied up and how much we're getting per month, and it's not even filled yet. But this number is deceiving. Let's go to our cash secured puts. If we do Bank of America, BAC. Do you hear the construction in the side? Please don't mind that. I hear the banging. What do we want? Bank of America, we're aiming for 22, 50 cents a share. So 22, nice. So we're going to be selling a put. As you can see, I clicked on this one. We want 7 contracts. 7. We'll be doing 0.51. It's the middle of the bid. Oh, it just went up. This is fine. Let's sell. We'll be getting 357 US. I expected 350, so 357 minus my commission. This is fine. Let's put that order in. Order filled right away. This is nice. So let's quickly go see what that looks like. As you can see, -7 because I sold. Average price right now. Okay, look, I'm already down $14. I could have asked for more, but I wanted to get filled right away for the purpose of this video. Let's go back. AMD, $50. We'll be aiming for 156. We'll be selling 2 cash secured puts. I can't even see it. $50. It went down. Oh man. So we'll be doing 2 at 140. Getting $280. What was I predicting? 312. This is unfortunate. This has gone down. It keeps going down. This is fine. Let's just get this filled right away. Oh, it went up a penny. Sell. Make sure to sell. Sell. Boom. Let's see if it gets filled. Yes, order filled, sell to open. So this probably means I could have made more. As you can see, I'm already down $2, so it went up a penny, but that's fine. Square, let's skip Square for now. IWM. Let's do 2 IWM. I'm sorry, this video is going on for a while, but hopefully you can see actual option trades. So I'll be doing 2 IWM, hopefully get around 137 and $1.06 each. So let's find the 137. Ooh, let me go 136. This is, what did I do? I want to do for a week. This is my mistake. 137 went to $1.02. So let's sell 2 contracts. 102. Hopefully we get these filled. $1.02. Sell. Change in buying power. I'm getting 200 US. It gets filled right away. Wait for it. There we go. Order filled. TD. Let's go TD Bank. Hopefully for my Canadians watching. TD Bank. We are going 1 month out for the 58 strike. How much are we selling? We'll be selling 5 contracts, tying up 29,000 in cash. 29,000 Canadian. So let's see, what was I predicting? 62 cents here. Everything I'm predicting, this is, I don't mind here. Let's see, 5 contracts. 5 contracts here. I'm limiting the price at 62, which is kind of the midpoint here. Let's sell. I'll get $310. I was expecting 229. Why is that? What am I doing different? 5 times 62. Is my math incorrect? 500 times 62. Oh, I'm turning this US. I'm turning this into US dollars. This is fine. Okay, let's put the order in for Air Canada. We're going 14, 30 contracts. Let's go AC.TO. AC.TO, Air Canada. All right. We're going a month out at 14. We are selling 30 at 50 cents to make 1100 US. Limit, let's go 0.5. This is what I was predicting. Let's go 0.51. 0.51, kind of the midpoint. Get $1,500 Canadian. Let's see what happens. Let's try to get this filled. So I've done this. Done this. The only one, oh, I've done this one as well. Let's do Square. 2 contracts, 100. Hopefully we get some money here. Square. Did I say monthly for Square? Monthly. This is kind of risky. Let's see where we go for 100. Is this worth it? This is a lot lower than what I was expecting. 227. This is a lot lower. We're selling 2 for, yeah, this is a lot lower. 195 midpoint. I'll be getting $390. I was expecting 454. I'll have to update these to tell you my actual return. My return's looking, it's getting lower every trade I make. So let's see, $390. And this was called right away. I could have made the change. Order filled. So let's see my positions by strategy. So let's take a look. Some of these trades I did today. We own. Ooh, I sold NEO already. Oh, last week. Sorry guys, I should have mentioned. I'd already sold NEO. 2 cash secured puts at 46 and I made 12. Well, no, I made $68 on it. My P&L for the day. Look at this. I made $92 and I can buy it back. Let me show you how to close this out right now just because we made some money. Let's close this out. It went down 18 cents from last week. So because on NEO I bought it at 46 cents and I can buy it back at 12 cents, I'm at 75% profit, I guess. So let me close this out. So all you have to do is click on it, buy, sell. You want to buy back the 2 contracts you have and you can set the price. So let's just say 12 cents, buy. And notice here it says buy to close instead of buy to open. So I'm closing out the 2 I have for $24. And I'll watch this go to 0, hopefully. Boom. It was filled right away, order filled, it went to 0. And I can probably open a new one. But let's save that for another video. I'm coming up on 20 minutes. This is a little too long. So I have my AMD shares here. I have my covered call for APHA.TO. Got my Bank of America. There's still one I'm waiting on. What didn't close? I think everything got filled. All right, guys, it's the end of the trading day. I ended up getting everything filled, all my cash secured puts and all my covered calls. And I wanted to come back and just show you an update on what the final numbers are. I ended up adjusting my table a little bit. I was doing something incorrect. I was doing my US dollar income and comparing it to the cash I had already converted into Canadian dollars. That's why I had 1.5% a month initially, but that wasn't accurate. So I ended up turning everything either Canadian or US dollars. So as you can see, these are the final numbers I got filled at. I'm pretty unhappy with the numbers I got today. I sold these cash secured puts a lot less than I thought, a lot less than I wanted. As you can see from the beginning of the video till now, I ended up moving up my strike price from Air Canada from $14 to $15, and then everything else here was a little lower than I thought. Like Square, I was expecting $2.30 for a cash secured put for the contracts, but I ended up getting $1.95. Not the end of the world, but let's take a look at the final numbers. For cash secured puts, assuming I hold till expiration, I get 100% profit is $2,500, and my covered calls is $353 US. So total US dollars, assuming everything goes 100% to expiration in US dollars, $2,900. If in Canadian, I'm around $3,900 in Canadian. We'll see what happens. I'm going to be adding another column here, just showing everyone and updating what I close these at. Let's say I close at 50% or 75%. I'm going to be doing a weekly or bi-weekly video showing you where I close these at, what the numbers are. Hopefully I don't get assigned on my risky ones. I guess like Square. I don't want to get assigned on IWM either. I was too afraid. I didn't really feel comfortable doing NEO or Virgin Galactic. NEO went up 15% today. I didn't like the premiums I'd be getting. I didn't want to go any higher than $10 for a cash secured put. So I'm holding off on this until I see a large downturn, so just so I could get better premiums for this high risk investment. I think that's everything for today. This is just a crude video. It's me live trading. This is my part one of, let's say, a 20-30 part option series. I'm going to be live trading every week, and if I'm not trading, I'm going to be showing you just an update on where these cash secured puts stand and where these covered calls stand. Keep in mind, I'll probably be releasing another video per week showing you my SPY verticals. So these are covered calls and cash secured puts. These are beginner option strategies. I'll be doing more intermediate ones. To be honest, I don't think I'm advanced yet. I don't think I can do diagonals or calendars. I do need to do more research on those. My strategy for the past couple months have been cash secured puts and day of expiration SPY verticals. Please tune into those next videos. Thanks, guys.